Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to look at how we apply dehumidifiers to a flooded house. So I've got a very low volume tent, but we understand that when we're drying, we dry with air changing. So the quicker we could get the air to exchange inside the tent, the quicker the moisture could be carried away. So I'm using quite a powerful dehumidifier. This one is moving 380 cubic metres of air out of its dry air outlet and about 75 cubic metres out of its exhaust. So I've got two ducts that are going to my tent, and I've got one outlet on my dehumidifier, so I need to fit a manifold. And this is a 3-port manifold, so if I install a blank onto the manifold, install the manifold to the dehumidifier, I've got two outlets. All I need to do now is connect the ducts.